Good evening, boys. We just got out of a trade here which took home my weekly wages, took home about £600 in this trade. Very happy with it, but let's get straight into it so we're not hanging about. Let's go on to the daily time frame just to establish your bias as you do. So I was going to trade, wasn't going to take a trade today actually, because what the fuck am I looking at there, to be honest, boys. But as you can see, we have, all the time we took the trade anyway, we tapped into this fair value gap. Wow, it's still perfectly in it. And we've got an area of support really building up because we kind of accumulating on the daily time frame, which isn't good because I wanted a good trading week this week, but fucking something wrong with me. But if we hold down to the 1 hour, whoopsies, I'm meant to be here. That's where I took the trade. So as you see, we've swept a bunch of trendline liquidity around here. If I draw with the path tool for you, so we're in a clear downtrend, but my bias is going for buys, so we're not going to be taking no sales on this. But you can see we swept a bunch of trend line lows on the 1 hour time frame, so I'm happy with this. Mainly this level here and this level here. This was my main key level I was looking to hit today when I logged on the charts anyway. I took this trade, it was about 8 PM. I didn't expect this level to be hit today. Sorry, because obviously market close soon for gold, so I didn't expect that to be hit in this session, but I expect it will be swept on market open, which I can look for more potential buys. So if we head on down to the 15-minute after we swept that key level, sorry I missed out a key part there. We do have a little demand zone by here on the 1 hour. As you can see, we had a over 3 candle push up which did break structure, broke the previous highs, where we perfectly bricked into. We also have another one by here which does get retested, but I'll leave that at the background for now. Happy days. Check it back on the 15-minute. Where we look for an entry. Let's skip a couple candles in the future. Let's see, we're looking more bullish now, but we are coming back down, testing the order block again. We do break through it a little bit, but we do create this 15-minute fair value gap here, and we do test it as well, which is like, right, okay, we need to look for an entry here. So I dropped down to the 5-minute, and I created this little, it was about here. Create this little trend line here where we had 1, 2, 3 touches, come back down, we broke through it, tested the trend line again, and then the same 15-minute fair value gap is also on the 5-minute time frame where we tapped into it here again, and this was actually my entry candle. Please believe it. This could be a short video, bro. I've only been on here 3 minutes, bro. Yeah, but my stop loss was literally below this demand zone here, which the risk reward on this is crazy, and I was targeting this unmitigated fair value gap. I always target them at the top, and yeah, I'm pointing, you can't even see. Here is I would have done candle close below, which is usually for fair value gaps, but I found with order blocks sometimes you tend to, for example, if you had an entry, I don't know, it gets invalidated once the candle gets closed below. It's how I trade all the time. So as you can see, we go buy, and then we see how this plays out, and we are just chilling, boys. We are just chilling. Let's see, we're in a trend here actually. So what I was originally planning to do, I didn't follow through with this, but I probably should have, is I created a new trend line here, and if we keep going, we see we test the trend line. I took profit here at the top, right at the top of this actually, because I didn't have an automatic take profit. I set this manually. This is all manual trade. I was only in here, I was in this trade an hour and a half, but I took home 600 quid an hour and a half. When I took this trade when I come home from work, made 90 odd pound from work, not even that, yeah, just about 90 pound at 18 years old, working 9-hour days in work, and I come home and just smash. So my goal for June is to quit my 8 till 5 and live the life I need to. So that is my goal. But if I went with what I said and followed the trend line, we would have taken about the same profits. I'm pretty sure we break trend line here. Yeah, we follow the trend line up and then we just accumulate. So I haven't actually seen past here, so I'm guessing we test the support level again, resistance, sorry, and then we come down. Yeah, that's exactly, I could close out of that, but that's exactly what I thought. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade. There was no scare factor involved in this trade, and it was piece of pips, all the confluences. I will like to break them down. This is obviously my first YouTube video of trading. I just thought I'd get myself out there, you know, because it's best time to start is now, really, isn't it? They say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is now, so I may as well get involved, boys. But yeah, so this was just a trade I took today. Made 600 quid up on the week. I think I made 150 quid on Monday, so I'm about 750 up on the week. I'm not even going to edit this, so I'm just going to send it out there, see how it does. Probably post a trade every day, because I usually trade once a day, maybe a Bitcoin trade on the weekend, but I could post my analysis for the week of gold, potentially. But yeah, this is pretty much it, boys, for now. I'll see how we do tomorrow. If we take an L, I'll probably still post it, but this is looking to be one of my best weeks so far with the volatility of gold. Trump's tariffs just agreed with China for something, I forgot. But Bitcoin's been dumping because of I think 215 million come out of the dollar or something like that. So I was in a trade somewhere on Bitcoin today, actually. It wasn't that long ago I got out of it. It probably was, I believe it was here. No, that's where I got out of it. So I was in the trade here and I got out on this black candle. I could stop the break even. But yeah, I only take 1 to 2 trades per day. Yeah, I'll say I don't know if I will trade tomorrow unless we get a what would be great is if today before the session finishes we get a push down on we inverse this fair value gap, because gold I have been actually making some money off sells recently. Before, when I was trading gold, God, I haven't been trading that long, to be honest, so trading on live, sorry, I've been trading demo for fucking ages, but when I was trading live originally, about here, we was basically buys only, bro. I'm not gonna lie, the way gold was moving, especially fucking how it's been since its original. Like, look at that, boys, like, unbelievable. Recently, gold has been pumping like fuck, ever since we broke past this resistance in gold. Look at it, unbelievable. We didn't even test the level again. We just kept bumping this resistance, and then we break through it like fucking. There's the indicator I've got on, by the way. Breaker structure, it's decent. But yeah. So hopefully I'd want us to break this level here. Otherwise, I probably won't trade tomorrow. Or if we get a strong reversal and we somehow break structure. But that's me done for today, boys. Take it easy. Peace out.